welcome back to T&M Farms. Finally time to get this spreader done. Tires are all done there, we got the decals on. I ended up getting the stuck bolt out of the hub here, and this hub is good to go. Everything's pretty much ready. So I think what the plan is, we're gonna go ahead and get these tires on, and then hopefully even maybe get the tarp on, and this thing will be done today. We'll see though, no guarantees. But for now, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go get the jack, and we're gonna start getting ready to jack this side up and get our two tires on this side. So that being said, let's get to it. Alrighty, so we got the tires on here, as you can see. Two tires there, and two tires there. This thing is back on the wheels. Now, all that's left to do is get the tarp on. I'll show you what needs to happen for that. This stuff here has to go on. There's two metal ribs. That has to get mounted. I think we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Get all the metal mounted, and then go ahead and get the tarp, the new tarp, inside the metal rods right here. And then once we're done that, pretty much this entire project's done. So let's do that. Alrighty, now I got the ladder moved back here. We're ready, we're gonna go ahead and start mounting the arches that the tarp rolls on. So I'm gonna grab the first one, and we're gonna go ahead and mount it. Alrighty, we got our arches on, which is awesome. We got our side lip for the tarp on, and we got the back arch on. Now, before we get the tarp on, the one thing that I want to get done just now while I'm waiting for my dad is let's get this roost on here, and that has to go inside the center there. So I'm gonna put you guys up here, and you guys can watch me attempt to get the roost on. We'll see how this works. Let's do it. Alrighty, got the roost in. Now we're gonna move on to the tarp. Gotta get all those rods shoved into it again. But first, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna get the tarp laid out so that's ready to do that. But because it's a brand new tarp and the floor somewhat still got dust on it, even though I swept it, I'm gonna lay out some plastic here. Just so that way the tarp doesn't get all dirty because it's brand new, you know. So let's do that here. There you have it, brand new tarp. It's not quite unfolded all the way. Big thank you to Tiesma Industial Coverings for making us this tarp, and it was very cost effective as well. I think it was only around 200 bucks. $250 delivered and all that, so it's a very good quality tarp. It's the exact same brand of the tarp that was just on there. and they last about 6 years, which is excellent. So decided to go with them again, and we're gonna go ahead and install our pipes and supports, and then we're gonna go ahead and get mounted on the sprayer. So let's go get the pipes and get it mounted. Alrighty, we got the rods in here. We're just coming along and trying to get it on. I'm gonna put you guys up here. Alrighty, tarp's on. Here we go. We're just letting it stretch here. The tape there is just to paint some of the bolts, but this is all in. Everything's all in, and it's just hanging there to stretch out a little. Looks good. Everything's on there finally. So that should be good. So that being done, there's not really much else. I think we're pretty much done for tonight. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.